Hey guys, enjoy the video. Beep beep.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Megan.
We are, throughout this video, going to be showing you our lives.
As ice cream girls. I know, how exciting, right?
You're so fortunate.
Yeah.
No, but we hope that you can follow our journey, so if you want to, you should like our video.
Please give it a thumbs up and
Make sure to subscribe.
so there will be a little button down here so that you can do it and it won't be hard for you. You don't have to think too much about it.
Yeah, so then every time we post, you'll get a little notification ding ding ding
To hang out with us.
Please make sure to watch all the way through and see what we get up to. Alright, bye guys.
Bye. This is us driving around. Do you see the sun in our faces? It's
The
only,
world at our feet.
it's only like my life. Am I right?
Fucking right. This is us just waiting for people to buy, so we're not poor as fuck like always.
I mean, we're still poor.
Oh, we're still really poor, but I mean, we can at least buy groceries. Anyways, so hopefully we get a sale.
Yeah.